Welcome back to Everyday Science 11, where today we're getting down to Earth, literally. Ever wondered what goes on under the plane while you're landing? Let's gear up and dive into the world of landing gears. Landing gears, or as pilots affectionately call them, the airplane's shoes, are crucial for not just landing, but also taxiing and takeoff. They're the unsung heroes that carry the weight of the entire aircraft on their sturdy shoulders. A typical landing gear system includes wheels, brakes, structures to house them, and shock absorbers. It's not just about wheels going up and down. There's real science in these saws. When a plane lands, it's not just plopping down on the runway. The gear must withstand tremendous forces. Imagine catching a 500-ton whale with a fishing net. That's the kind of stress we're talking about. The real MVP here is the shock absorber, or as the tech-savvy might call it, the oleo strut. It cushions the landing by compressing and absorbing the energy, making sure your touchdown is smoother than a jazz concert. Think of it like super advanced pogo sticks for planes. But why don't they just use regular springs? Well, because unlike your bed springs, oleo struts use oil and gas to absorb that oomph from the landing. And when the wheels aren't needed, they tuck away into the belly of the beast, using a sophisticated hydraulic system that's like playing Tetris under extreme pressure. Fun fact, did you know the Boeing 747's landing gear has 16 wheels? That's more wheels than a monster truck rally on your street. So, curious minds, if you could design a landing gear, what feature would you add? Maybe rocket boosters for faster takeoffs, or perhaps inflatables for water landings. Share your innovative ideas in the comments below. From touchdown to taxi, landing gears handle it all, making sure every journey ends as smoothly as it begins. Next time you land, remember there's more than just pilot skill keeping you safe. It's also some serious engineering marvels down under. That's a wrap on today's journey at Everyday Science 11. If you loved learning about the magic and mechanics of landing gears, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to share your thoughts. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science with us.